Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add HDR effects in your video by using Inshot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app here. Choose your original video and then tap on filters. Here if you scroll like this, you guys will find out cinema, and under the cinema option you guys will find out this filters. And in here let's adjust it a bit. Here let's grow the contrast level and also the warmth, and in here at the saturation I'm going to grow it as well. Now I'm going to sharpen it fully, and here let's tap on the check mark, and now I'm going to add a white background here and then extend it to fit with the original video. Tap on blend. Now tap on overlay and here customize it like this. Now tap on the check mark. Let's bring the original video here so you guys can find out the differences. This one is the original video and this one is after the HDR effect. You guys will find out the differences easily. So this is how you guys can add HDR effects in your video by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.